Hello, future entrepreneurs. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things money and investment. Here at House Lux, we're dedicated to guiding you through the labyrinth of finance, breaking down complex concepts into digestible insights. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, we're here to help you navigate the waters. Today, we are going to break down the process of creating a financial roadmap for your business. So grab your notebooks. It's time to start planning your financial future. First off, what exactly is a financial roadmap? You might have heard this term thrown around, but let's get clear on what it means. A financial roadmap, in essence, is a strategic plan that outlines your business's financial goals and the steps needed to achieve them. It's like a GPS for your business finances, guiding you from where you are now to where you want to be. Now, why is it important? Well, whether you're launching a startup or growing an existing business, having a financial roadmap helps you stay focused and on track. It assists you in making informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing in your business. Without one, it's like embarking on a journey without a map or directions. So, what are the key components of a financial roadmap? It consists of several elements, each serving a distinct purpose. First, it outlines your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Next, it gives a clear view of your current financial situation, detailing your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Then, it lays out the strategies and steps to achieve your goals. Lastly, it includes a contingency plan for unexpected financial challenges. Remember, your financial roadmap is not set in stone. It's a dynamic document that evolves with your business. It needs regular reviewing and updating to reflect changes in your financial situation or business goals. So, a financial roadmap is not just a tool, it's your guide to financial success. Now, the first step in creating a financial roadmap is identifying your financial goals. This is the foundation on which your entire financial journey rests. Without a clear destination in mind, it's like setting sail in the vast ocean without a compass. Let's explore this concept further. Your financial goals are the monetary objectives you aim to achieve with your business. These are the targets that will guide your financial decisions and strategies. It's crucial to set clear, realistic financial goals to keep your business on track and ensure its growth. Here are a few common financial goals for businesses. Firstly, you may set a revenue goal. This could be something like generating a certain amount of sales within a specific period. It's important to be realistic and factor in your business's current performance and market conditions when setting this goal. Secondly, you may aim to increase your profit margins. This involves not just boosting sales but also controlling costs. It's about finding the perfect balance between what you spend to produce or deliver your product or service and what you earn from it. Thirdly, another common goal is to expand your business. This could be through launching new products or services, entering new markets, or increasing your customer base. This goal, however, often requires a significant investment, so it's essential to plan your finances accordingly. Lastly, you may aim to build a financial cushion for your business. This is a reserve of funds that can help your business weather financial storms and unexpected expenses. It provides you with the flexibility to take calculated risks and seize opportunities as they arise. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to increase sales," try something more specific like, "I want to increase sales of product X by 20% over the next quarter." This gives you a clear target to aim for and makes it easier to track your progress. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. With your goals in place, it's time to take a good look at where you currently stand financially. To create a solid financial roadmap, you must first assess your current financial situation. This is an essential step as it provides a clear picture of your starting point from which you'll navigate towards your goals. So, how does one go about this? Well, there are 4 key elements you need to consider: your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Let's start with your income. This is the total amount of money you earn. It can come from different sources such as your job, a side hustle, or investments. Be sure to include all sources to get an accurate representation. Next, your expenses. These are the costs you incur regularly, from rent or mortgage to groceries and entertainment. It's important to track every penny you spend. Apps or simple spreadsheets can help you with this. Now let's move on to assets. Assets are anything you own that has value. This includes your home, car, savings, investments, and even the cash in your wallet. Finally, your liabilities. These are your debts. It could be a student loan, credit card debt, or a mortgage. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to do the math. Subtract your liabilities from your assets to calculate your net worth. This number represents your current financial health. However, remember, it's not just about the numbers. This process also involves understanding your spending habits. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Are you saving enough? Are you investing wisely? The answers to these questions give you an insight into where you might need to make changes. In this step, honesty is paramount. Don't sugarcoat things or underestimate your expenses. The more accurate your assessment, the more effective your financial roadmap will be. Keep in mind that your financial situation will change over time. Regularly reviewing and updating your financial status is key to staying on track towards achieving your goals. Understanding your current financial situation is crucial in charting the path to your goals. The more you know about where you stand today, the better you can plan for where you want to be tomorrow. You've identified your goals and evaluated your current financial situation. Now it's time to develop your plan and implement it. Embarking on this journey, the first step is to determine your startup costs. These may include essential equipment, initial inventory, rent, utilities, licensing or permits, legal fees, and even your personal living expenses while the business gets off the ground. It's crucial to be thorough and realistic during this stage to avoid any financial surprises down the line. Next, you'll want to forecast your cash flow. This involves estimating your sales and expenses over a period of time, typically 1 year. Remember, it's better to be conservative in your estimates. It's always more pleasant to be surprised by extra cash than a shortage of it. Once you've done that, it's time to revisit your financial goals. With your startup costs and cash flow forecast in hand, you can see how long it will take you to break even and start making a profit. If the timeline is longer than you'd like, consider ways to reduce costs or increase revenue. Remember, your plan is not set in stone. It's a living document that can and should be adjusted as circumstances change. Now comes the critical part, implementing your plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. You'll need to monitor your finances regularly, compare your actual results with your forecasts, and make adjustments as needed. This is not a set-and-forget process. It requires discipline and a willingness to make tough decisions when necessary. Finally, don't forget to build an emergency fund. This will provide a financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses or if your business takes longer than anticipated to turn a profit. This fund should be separate from your personal savings and only used for business-related emergencies. A plan is only as good as its execution, so stick to it, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a financial roadmap for your business. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap the journey we've taken together. We started by understanding what a financial roadmap is. It's more than just a budget or a ledger. It's a comprehensive plan that outlines where you want your business to go and how you're going to get there. Then we moved on to the first step, identifying your financial goals. As we discussed, these goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Knowing what you want to achieve is the cornerstone of any successful business plan. Next, we delved into evaluating your current financial situation. This involves taking a hard look at your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It's important to be honest with yourself during this stage. Only by understanding where you stand financially can you effectively plan for where you want to go. We then explored developing a plan and implementing it. This is where all your preparation comes into play. By using the information you've gathered, you can create a roadmap that will guide your business towards its financial goals. Remember, a plan is only as good as its execution, so make sure to follow through with your strategies and continually monitor your progress. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in creating a financial roadmap. They provide the structure and clarity needed to navigate the often complex world of business finance. By following this guide, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring your business has a solid financial foundation. Thank you for joining us today at House Lux Estate. We hope this guide has been helpful and has given you the tools you need to create your own financial roadmap. Remember, the journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes time, patience, and a lot of planning. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, happy planning.